Want to turn off the loud camera sound on your Samsung phone because it's bothering you when taking photos? The sound can be annoying, especially in quiet places or when you want to be discreet. In this video, I'll show you 2 simple ways to silence your camera. Let's get started. Method 1. First, open up the settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on apps. Now scroll down and find the camera apps. Then tap on it. After that, tap on camera settings. Now scroll down again. Find the shutter sound. Here it is. Simply toggle it off. Method 2. Open the camera app. Then tap on the settings icon from the top left corner. Scroll down. Find the shutter sound option. Now simply turn it off. Alright everyone, that's how you can turn off the camera sound on your Samsung phone. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.